Good morning, dear students. Today we're gonna study in the Pupils book, page 43, and the workbook, page 25. So open your Pupils book and let's start. In this page, we want to study how to compare between two things which are equal in the same way. نتعلم كيف لما بدنا نقارن بين شيئين فيهم نفس الصفة. In this case, بهاي الحالة, we use as adjective as. Again, as adjective as. أو إذا كانوا ما فيهم نفس الشيء يعني مش متساويين بالصفة, we use not as adjective as. خلينا نشوف كيف. Let's read the lesson or listen to the lesson in order to understand this rule. نستمع للدرس عشان نفهم. لما نشوف مثال نفهم الفكرة.
Pupils Book, Unit 3, page 43. Activity 1. Listen and read.
I'm 10.
Me too.
You're as old as me, but you're not as clever as me.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
I'm as tall as you.
Yes, but you're not as strong as me.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
You're not as funny as me.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. Not.
Stop arguing, you two. You're both as silly as each other.
Okay, so again, look at these examples in this dialogue. I am 10. Me too. You're as old as me. Listen here, as old as me. يعني they are equal in what? In age. بنفس العمر. يعني as old as me. بنفس العمر. You're as old as me, but you're not as clever as me. Yes, I am. No, you're not. I am as tall as you. Look at this example again. As tall as you. يعني بنفس الطول. Equal. They are equal. متساويين في الطول. Yes, but you're not as strong as me. Not as strong as me. يعني مش بنفس قوتي. Yes, I am. No, you're not. You're not as funny as me. Yes, I am. No, you're not. Stop arguing. You two, you're both as silly as each other. نفس السخافة الاثنين. As silly as each other. فهمنا كيف استخدام as adjective as بنستخدمها لما بدنا نكون نحكي بصفة موجودة في شيئين بنفس المستوى يعني equal متساويين. Okay? Move now to exercise 4. Listen and guess then say. Let's listen again.
Pupils Book, Unit 3, page 43. Activity 4. Listen and guess, then say. On summer nights, I'm as warm as freshly baked bread. On summer nights, I'm as quiet as a mouse. On winter nights, I'm as cold as snow and ice. On winter nights, I howl round the house, as noisy as a pack of hungry wolves. Sometimes I am as fierce as a lion. Sometimes I am as gentle as a lamb. I come from the north, the south, the east, the west. Tell me, do you know who I am?
Do you know? Can you guess? if you know, write for me the answer here. Okay, now I want you to move to the workbook, to this page, page 25. Write sentences use as, adjective as. بدنا نطبق القاعدة اللي درسناها. When you see two things which are equal in the same way, we should use as, adjective as. Okay, look at this girl. She said, I am 10. And this boy also said, I am 10. I want this adjective which is old. So I should say the girl is as old as the boy. نفس العمر إلهم. Okay, now look at this box. It's 10 kilos. And the bag also 10 kilos. I want to use this word which is heavy. So what should I say now? The box is as heavy as the bag. The box is as heavy as the bag. Full stop. Okay, now look at this tree and house. I want you to compare the tall. What should we say here? Look at the house and the tree again. They are equal. So I should say the tree is as tall as what? The house. Full stop. Again, the tree is as tall as the house. Now look at the snake and the crocodile. They are in the same long, or they have the same long. So what should I say? What's the answer here? The snake is as tall as the crocodile. The snake is as tall as the crocodile. فهمنا كيف الطريقة اللي بنستخدم فيها as when we have two things which have the same or which are equal in the same way. We should use as, word as. Okay? Now in exercise 2, we want to compare between two things which they are not equal. Okay? Not equal. مش متساويين بنفس الصفة. For example, look at one. We have this dog and cat. The dog is not as beautiful as the cat. مش beautiful مثل الcat. So the dog is not as beautiful as the cat. Look at number 2 now. We want to use these adjectives: fast, happy, beautiful, tall. هلا beautiful استخدمناها. راح نختار من التانيين. Look at number 2. We have this elephant and giraffe. We want to compare between them. So we should say the elephant is not what? Not as tall as the giraffe. Okay? So right now, the elephant is not as tall as the giraffe.